Hey, excuse me, Bob. Where's your hat? Hey, where's your hat, bro? I don't, I don't know. Are you left it at home today? Well, you know the rules. No hat, no play, no fun today, hey? But it's just lunchtime. It's not that long. It's only 25 minutes. I don't care. There's the rules, sir. The next day. Hey, Bob, take your hat off. But I'm sitting in the sun. But I'm sitting in the sun. I don't care. This is an assembly. Have some respect. But you told me no. But you told me to wear a hat in the shade, in the sun. Well, I don't care. Take it off. I'm reporting you. What? That's not even fair. So you really want to be catching these hats, huh? You really want to be catching these, huh? Oh no, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.